Hey, this is LARPCom, Spencer King with LARPCom. I'm going to do 2, 2, 1 in the center. That's the drill we're doing now.
Ready?
Ready? Low on that one. All right, try again. Ready? I shot him in the nuts.
3, 6, 8. Clean. Stand by.
Got a little closer on that one.
Keeping them clean. All right, you'll have a reload on this one.
Yep.
317 clean. Let's try the reload. Stand by. Six, 7, 4. Good run.